What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how I deal with a muffled speaker or a muffled microphone. This problem is very common, and I urge everyone to look under your phone right now and see if there's any dust or debris in your speaker mesh or your microphone mesh. And if there is, you should follow the steps along with this video and get it cleaned out, because your speaker will perform better and your microphone. So the first thing I did was I went to voice memos, and from voice memos I just recorded a new voice memo, and I just wanted to see how much sound this microphone picks up and also how the speaker sounds. And as you guys can hear, it was really bad. It was as if someone was actually pressing against the speaker or the microphone with their finger. So to do this repair properly, you're going to need three things: toothbrush, isopropyl alcohol. It doesn't have to be isopropyl, but it should be. And you're also going to need something pointy. You can use a toothpick or a spudger, which is what I use later on in this video. We're going to pour some of the isopropyl alcohol. I use the cap for this. You can use pretty much anything. And we're just going to dip our toothbrush into the isopropyl alcohol. We don't necessarily want to soak the toothbrush, but we do want to get it damp. And then we're going to turn our device around and start to scrub that speaker and microphone mesh. You want to make sure that the bristles are actually going inside the speaker mesh and you're not just scrubbing the bottom of your phone. We do this so that we can aggravate the debris and dust inside and make it a little bit easier to remove after this step. The left side of your phone is where the microphone is located, which I specifically targeted in this video. The right side is the speaker. I suggest you give both a good cleaning, just because they usually get a lot of sand and other debris inside, especially pocket lint. You want to make sure to go in circles and just to get the toothbrush as deep as possible into that mesh. Now we're going to want to grab our pointy tool and we're going to want to kind of scoop inside the mesh, and you want to make sure that you're not pushing any of the debris inside, but you're trying to kind of flick it out in a scooping motion. You want to make sure you're not pushing too deep, because you could actually damage the mesh and make the problem worse. Just be patient and careful and it'll all work out. So because this dirt in the mesh has probably been there for so long, it's pretty stuck in place. So our goal here is to try and aggravate it as much as possible so that either our pointy tool or the toothbrush can get it removed. And we want to do this step for 3 or 4 times, just until you can actually see the metal mesh under. Take our spudger and we're just going to try and flick the dirt up. So this is the first thing you should do before going to a repair shop. If your speaker mesh is too muffled, you should do this before you go and you end up paying a lot of money. So right now we can already see the speaker mesh. Before it was sand, now we're able to see it a little bit. Be really patient while you're doing this and take your time, and you'll have results similar to mine, which you're about to see in the next couple of seconds. Hello, testing, 1 2 3, testing.
Hello, testing, 1 2 3, testing.
Anyway, guys, that is it for today. You should be doing this once every 6 months. If you're not living your life to its full potential. Anyway, guys, take it easy. Have a good day.